Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Alex, and today we're going to make the most of this rainy weather by diving into some fun and playful Python projects. So grab your favorite hot drink, get comfy, and let's get coding. Rainy days are perfect for staying indoors and getting creative. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned coder, I've got some awesome Python projects that will keep you entertained and help you learn something new. Let's jump right in. First up, let's create a virtual pet. This project is a fantastic way to practice your object-oriented programming skills. You can design your pet, give it a name, and even make it respond to different commands like feed, play, and sleep. It's a fun way to learn about classes and methods. Next, let's move on to a weather app. Since it's raining outside, why not build an app that fetches real-time weather data for any city? This project will introduce you to working with APIs and handling JSON data in Python. Plus, it's super satisfying to see the weather update instantly on your screen. Now, how about a game? Let's create a simple version of Hangman. This classic word game is perfect for practicing loops, conditionals, and string manipulation. You can make it as simple or as complex as you like by adding different difficulty levels or even a graphical interface. Feeling musical? Let's make a virtual piano using the Pygame library. This project will teach you about handling user input and playing sounds. It's so much fun to play a tune on your very own Python-powered piano. If you're into data visualization, why not try creating a colorful, interactive plot? Using libraries like Matplotlib or Plotly, you can turn boring data into beautiful charts and graphs. It's a great way to practice working with data and make your projects visually appealing. And there you have it. 5 fun and engaging Python projects to brighten up any rainy day. Remember, the key to learning and improving your coding skills is to have fun and experiment. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, that's all part of the process. So, whether you're creating a virtual pet, building a weather app, coding a game, making music, or visualizing data, there's plenty to explore and enjoy. If you try out any of these projects, be sure to share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding fun. Stay cozy, stay curious, and happy coding. See you next time.